Tired of compromising between style, precision, and cross-platform versatility? The easysmx Controller X05 2.4G wireless gaming controller is here to redefine your gameplay. Designed for PC, Steam, iPhone, Android, and Switch, this powerhouse controller blends cutting-edge tech with eye-catching flair. Say goodbye to joystick drift forever. Its Hall effect sensors deliver ultra-precise, drift-free control, while RGB lighting immerses you in a customizable glow that matches your vibe. With a 750 mAh NMC battery, enjoy 1.5x longer playtime than standard controllers, paired with a sleek ceramic charging cable for seamless power-ups. Whether you're conquering Black Myth, Wukong, or dominating on Switch, the X05's multi-platform compatibility and turbo function keep you ahead. Plus, its ergonomic design and included thumb grips ensure marathon sessions stay comfortable. No more tangled wires or lag. Switch modes instantly and game freely across devices. Ready to upgrade? The easysmx X05 isn't just a controller, it's your next-level gaming ally. Stay tuned. We're breaking down why this might be your ultimate gamepad. Product dimensions: 6.5 by 4.7 by 2.7 inches, 11.2 ounces. Type of item: video game. Item model number: X05. Item weight: 11.2 ounces. Manufacturer: easysmx. Batteries: 112V batteries required. About this item: easysmx X05 controller compatible with Black Myth, Wukong. Gift includes a pair of thumb grips. RGB lights. The X05 game controller features RGB lighting effects, allowing you to change the lighting to your preferences and creating an immersive gaming experience. Hall effect joysticks and triggers. Enjoy enhanced joystick control with our 4 Hall effect sensors. These sensors provide precise and reliable input detection, allowing for smoother and more accurate movement in-game. Whether you're navigating through virtual worlds or aiming with precision, our Hall effect technology ensures a seamless gaming experience. Ceramic charging cable. Your X05 PC controller's ceramic charging cable ensures a stable and reliable wireless connection, minimizing signal interference and providing a seamless gaming experience. It also offers low power consumption, extending the usage time. 750 mAh NMC lithium-ion battery. Compared to traditional polymer lithium-ion batteries, the NMC lithium-ion battery in the game controller offers 1.5 times longer lifespan. Multi-platform compatibility. Our controller is designed to be compatible with PC, Switch, iPhone, and Android. This versatility ensures that users can enjoy the same controller across various devices, providing a consistent gaming experience. Not compatible with Xbox One, Xbox 360, Fire TV free switching. The game controller offers a mode switch key, allowing you to seamlessly switch between different modes or configurations to suit their gaming preferences. Customers may encounter problems due to incorrect use of the item. Please contact the seller in advance if you have any questions before returning it.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.